Today we are in Alicante.
The beautiful port city of Alicante, which simply enchants everyone, with miles upon miles of sandy beaches, many events and a maritime atmosphere. Alicante in 5 minutes. Look up at the many palm trees in the old town.
The town hall square is very central and a great starting point for your tour. The Santa Cruz district is a colorful part of the old town. Stroll through the narrow alleys and discover the fine details of each house.
No matter where you're looking, in Alicante you can feel the Spanish flair everywhere.
The Esplanada de España is a beautiful palm avenue and a popular open-air meeting place. The beach is right in the city center, the water is crystal clear and the sand is super fine.
The marina is huge and very worthwhile seeing.
The Castillo de Santa Barbara is one of the largest fortresses in Europe. It is on the surface of Mount Benacantil.
We are going high. It's not so easy in this heat.
Be sure to plan plenty of time here. It will take you an entire afternoon to take some photos.
By the way, the castle is the symbol of Alicante. It has a rich history spanning over more than 1,000 years.
Alicante is one of the warmest places in Spain, with over 300 days of sunshine each year. There's even an elevator that leads directly from the beach to the castle for €2.70. Admission is free of charge.
Out of town, into the countryside.
The El Palmaral Park is just outside of the city center, but it is less touristy and the entrance is free.
The park is beautifully laid out, with many ponds, lakes and artificial rivers. A visit is definitely worthwhile.
The most important festival in Alicante is the Hogueras de San Juan. Huge artistic sculptures run through the city.
Dive into this crazy world and let yourself be seduced. Of course, there's plenty to eat like paella, super tasty.
A real highlight of the festival is the evening parade on the 24th of June. It's going to start in a few minutes.
The parade reminds us of the Cologne Carnival, pretty colorful and crazy. With a rental car we are going to the surrounding areas of Alicante. There are many beautiful places on the Costa Blanca.
BENIDORM is only half an hour from Alicante. A beautiful seaside resort with 2 super long beaches, but also quite touristy.
While others are still swimming, we continue to discover the city. And then we are off to Valencia, a city to fall in love with. Rent a bike and experience the city for yourself. We'll definitely go back here. Adios de Alicante!
And Valencia is only a 2-hour drive from Alicante, so watch now our Valencia video.